All right, in this video, we're going to take a look at the second part of our Arduino ultrasonic sensor series. We're going to work off of the same circuit and program that you made in part one, but in this case, you're going to add a couple of LEDs to it and also program it so that when an object gets too close, the red LED comes on. And when an object is further away, the green LED is on. So what you're learning about in this case is how data from the ultrasonic sensor can be used as input to change the behavior of something else connected to your Arduino, in this case, a red or a green LED. It's going to work like this. Here's the completed circuit. I'm going to click on Start Simulation. Click on the ultrasonic sensor itself to get the little ball floating around, and you'll notice the LED is green because we are above 50 centimeters away from an object. As that ball gets closer, 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 red. 50 is the cutoff. So above 50 centimeters, we're in the clear, but if we dip just below, red light goes on. Imagine that instead of controlling a red or a green LED, you're controlling some motors. And this input from the sensor is being used to tell that motor through the program, stop, start, go left, go right, back up, whatever you choose. So let me stop this and bounce back to the assignment. So you made this circuit in part one. What I'd like you to do into part two is to make a copy of it and to refresh your memory in Tinkercad to make a copy of something. All you have to do is click on the gear icon and choose duplicate. And that way you have made a copy of it. I want you to keep your part one as original as it was and make a copy for part two. Then you're going to add into your circuit two different LEDs. Each is wired to a different pin on the Arduino. Within your code, I'm not going to show you everything, friends. I need you to use your wits and your skills a little bit. You need to remember how to program in an LED, or in this case, two LEDs, into your Arduino program. And if you need a little help, I've got a link right here in the assignment that will take you to more information. Here's the clue that I've given you, though. We haven't worked with an if-else statement before. This is an if-else statement. And what's happening here is, starting on line 40, the program says, if the distance is greater than 50, do these things. Else, and else means if the distance is anything other than greater than 50, and in this case, it means less than 50, do these things. So that's what you're going to add in. Where do you add this information? It's a great question. And I've given you a clue. Where you're going to add this is inside of the void loop, at the bottom of that loop, just above the last curly brace. And then you can type this in and give it a test and see if your ultrasonic sensor will warn you when you get too close to an object. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.